Okay, so now let's start with the data transformation part. So again, let me create one notebook file 03 data transformation, and let me execute the same code here. Now I'm inside my project working directory. First thing, let's update the config.yaml. So this is my data transformation configuration. Okay, so it will create a data transformation folder. Inside that, I will keep all of the transformation artifact. Okay, and this is my data. From here, I'll be reading the data. Okay, data path. Now let me save and let me create the entity as of now. So this is your entity. I'm returning these two paths only. Then after that, I have to create the configuration manager. I think you already know. So this is the configuration manager. Configuration manager reading all the YAML file, and this is the get data transformation configuration, and this is the return type. Okay, I'm returning the root directory as well as the data path. That's it. Now let's create the component. So this is my component. So see here, we'll be only performing the data 10 test split, okay, operation. But here, see, here I already added. You can add different data transformation techniques such as scalar, PCA. You can also perform different kinds of EDA, okay, in the machine learning lifecycle. Okay, so here I'm only adding 10 test split because this is a already clean up data. Okay, so because see, this is the demo I'm showing you. This is the template I'm giving you. Now you can add anything, whatever, let's say, inside machine learning, whatever, let's say, pre-processing, whatever feature engineering, EDA is required, everything you can perform here. You just need to create different functions for this. That's it. Okay, see here what I'm doing, I'm only taking the data and performing the 10 test split operation. Then I'm saving as a CSV file, okay, inside my data transformation. That's it. Now let me execute, and after that, let me create the pipeline. So this is my pipeline. Okay, so this will execute my 10 test split. Now if I show you, see, 10 data transformation is created. Inside that, training CSV as well as the testing CSV is available. Okay, so yes, this is the transformation. Now let's try to convert this code as our modular coding.